Hi, we are going to present our data communication and networking group project. In our group, there is Aisyah, Aida, Batrisyia, Fong, and Lau. So we are going to start with our first presenter, Lau Mayu.
Hello? Okay. Question. The schematic of this project can be referred to Figure 1. Figure 1 shows the logical network flows from a home network to UTM facility. In this figure, a UTM student is trying to access the learn system located in the UTM network facility. The student is using her modem to connect to the public network before able to connect to the UTM facility. From the UTM network, the data then was forwarded to IT center where the ULearn system service is located. The lecturer is uploading lecture notes to students via ULearn. The procedure began on the student's professor computer. When the student uploads their assignment, the file application sends the assignment or raw data to the application layer. The data format and file transfer protocol will be specified by the application layer, and the data will be passed to the presentation layer. The data format will be standard in the presentation layer, and the encryption process will be complete. If necessary, refer to the communication connection type to see if it is encrypted or not. The data is then compressed and passed to the season layer by the presentation layer. The compression will help in the speed and efficiency with which the data is uploaded. The communication season will be initiated during the season layer by sending requests and response between the application layer and the transport layer. It determines whether or not the request season is legitimate. If yes, the data is passed to the next layer. Next, the data is passed to the transport layer. During this step, the transport layer provides multiplexing, enabling the host to send a receive error-correct data through the implementation of TCP and UDP protocol. The flow and error control will be performed, and the data will be segmented, then broken up into packets at the network layer. The network layer will then facilitate data transfer and determine whenever the network layer is required by checking whenever or not the device is communicated on the same network. The network layer will then use the best physical path to route the packet to their destination. This is known as routing, and it took place at the router. When packets are sent to the data link layer, they are divided into frames and delivered to the physical layer. The frame will be converted to a bit string of 0 and 1s before being transmitted over a physical medium such as a cable. The data will then be saved in the ULearn system service, which is located in the IT center. Thank you.
Thanks for now. And then now I will explain about the subnetting. UTM have 11 faculty and one more for IT center, so total 12 subnet is needed. And then we use class C private address 192.168.0.0/16 for the network address because the maximum of each department only 1000, so class C is enough to use. 12 subnet is needed, which is 2 power 4 equal to 16, which is bigger than 12, so 4 bit borrowed from host ID bits for do the subnetting. This table shows the value of borrowed bits for each subnet. The IP in Internet decimal notation is 192.168.0.0/16. For calculate, we change it to the primary. And then the 4-bit borrow we put into it. This is the table. It shows the IP address, after the subnetting in primary. And then the decimal IP address is in this table. So we set the feed subnet as IT center on network address, which is 192.168.64.0/20. And then the feed available address is the address of the user system, which is 192.168.64.5/20 with the subnet mark 255.255.240. And then that's all for the video. Thank you.